Mag-motorcycle ride kami guys. Tapos magla-lunch. Kasi yung mga kambal nasa school, so kami lang muna this time. Pasok kami dito guys. Titingin-tingin. Look at this guys. So, ang cute ng table nila and the seats. Ang ganda. Ganda ng bench na ito. So dito kami ngayon guys sa Bella's Pizzeria o Bella's Marie Pizzeria for lunch. Hindi pa open guys kasi 11 o'clock pa mag-open. May time pa kami konti. Ayan guys, Bella's Marie's Pizzeria. First time namin dito i-try guys. Gusto niya i-try. Mahilig kasi sa pizza. This is the place looks like.
It's a nice place.
Yeah.
They have chicken.
Looks like it's brand new or?
No, it's been here since like for a while. Chicken Alfredo sausage.
Yeah, meron silang seating outside guys.
From scratch meatballs.
Kami pa lang yung customer kasi nandito kami at 11. Yun yung time ng opening nila, 11 o'clock. And then they will close and then they'll open again at 4 o'clock for dinner. So 11 to 2 o'clock is for lunch. That's it?
And then they close for 2 hours.
Oh.
4 to 9.
Then 4 to 9 is the dinner.
But they're only open.
Menu. So everything here is made from scratch, it says, right?
Yeah.
And no preservatives and other stuff. Yeah, this is nice. It's our first time here.
Oh no, that would have been good.
Delicious pink lemonade. Guys, nag-order na kami.
Okay.
In-order ko yung fettuccine, chicken alfredo, tapos yung pizza. Nakalimutan ko na guys.
Do you?
Thank you.
Yeah, the DMV's closed.
So wala pang masyadong tao dito guys. Kami yung unang customer. Kasi they open at 11 o'clock. So dito kami. Yeah.
Chicken?
It says made from scratch. The sauce is made from scratch.
Oh, that's good.
Try the salad. chicken fettuccine alfredo, and what's this one? Oh, the meat stir. So it has everything. I had breakfast, that's why. Boss. Finish. The pizza man. That was quick. We finished it all. It's a small portion.
It's a
Human-sized portion. Normally we have leftovers, but this one we didn't. We all finished. We're back home now. Tapos na kami nag-motorcycle ride. Tapos kumain ng lunch. So, ito yung motorcycle namin, guys. Ayan, guys. So, ito yung armrest, headrest. My husband just mounted it all. So, siya lang ang gumawa niyan. Is this a custom seat, Han? Yeah. Custom seat. So, it's good for traveling or long ride, guys. So, maganda siya. Hindi masakit sa puwet. Ito yung mga compartment, storage compartment. Ito yung mountain bracket. So, if you have extra, if we have extra baggage, yan. Dito niya minamount. Ayan. Another extra compartment. So, ayun, guys. Hi guys! So, punta muna tayo sa Walmart. Mag-grocery lang ako saglit habang nasa school yung mga kambal. Yan guys, papasok na tayo sa Walmart. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, naka-sale siya. $9.98, $5 na lang siya guys. So, bibili ako isa para sa akin sa kwarto ko. Ito. Yan. Naku guys, tatagal na naman ako dito kasi marami akong nakikita na naman. Mga clearance sale. So guys, nalilito ako ngayon kasi binago nila yung mga aisles kasi nire-renovate nila yung Walmart dito sa amin. So parang nakakalat. Sanay kasi ako doon sa unang setup nila ay ngayon. Iba na naman. Last week hindi ganito, ngayon iniba nila. Parang every week iniiba-iba nila guys. So, tingnan nyo guys, ang cute. Ayan o. Baka bibili ako para sa kambal. Ayun, may nakita akong clearance sale. Punta tayo doon guys. Ito yung snuggly pillow. Kumuha ako isa para sa akin. Magsiselos yung kambal ko niyan kasi hindi ako kumuha para sa kanila. Ang dami kasi nila guys. Ang dami na nilang mga ganyan. Tapos, pero kung magustuhan siguro nila, baka bibilhin ko na rin. Babalik ako dito. Yan, may sale. Ito na ako. Nakauwi na ako guys. Galing Walmart. Ilo-load ko na lang itong mga, i-unload ko na lang ang mga binili ko guys. So ayan yung mga pinamili ko guys. Konti lang yung mga wala lang. Tapos ito, bilhin to sa akin ng asawa ko, Pepsi Cola. Tapos ito, itatry ko lang siya guys. Ewan ko kung na-try nyo na ba ang Fanta pineapple flavor. So hindi ko muna kinuha yung orange. Try ko muna itong pineapple. So ito yung outside the fridge guys. Dito sa RV namin. Diyan namin nilalagay yung mga extra. Ayan, pasok muna ako guys ha. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Please subscribe.